Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing fish masala recipe. A mildly spiced fish masala simmered in tomato gravy. This fish masala goes perfect with rice or with roti. So let's get started with the recipe. To make a fish masala, first I'm lightly crushing few spices. So into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in ½ inch of cinnamon which I've broken into small pieces, 3 cardamoms, 6 to 7 cloves, 1/3 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, and I'm just lightly crushing them. And once lightly crushed, I'm transferring it to a plate. Next I'm powdering ½ teaspoon whole black peppercorns, and keep this aside. Next I'm crushing 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger which I'm slicing and adding into the stone grinder. And I'm going to crush them. And my crushed ginger garlic is ready. So I'm going to keep this aside. I'm using 700 grams of sear fish. Sear fish is also known as kingfish. I'm thinly slicing 2 medium-sized onions. Now you need to thinly slice the onions. You can almost see through the onions. The onions are thinly sliced, and now let's start making the fish masala curry. I'm heating a wide heavy bottomed steel kadai, and into that I'm adding in 2 tablespoons wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the crushed spices. Lightly give it a stir. After about 30 seconds, add in the sliced onions. Give it a stir. Add in 4 green chilies slit. Again give it a stir. A couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Stir well and allow the onions to saute on low flame till the onions turns transparent or light pink in color. While the onions are sauteing, I'm going to puree 5 red tomatoes. I have roughly chopped the tomatoes and added into my blender jar, and I'm going to puree this. And once the onions are transparent, add in the crushed ginger garlic. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a stir. And allow the ginger garlic to saute along with the onions for about a minute or until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic has diminished. Add in 1½ tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, and lightly saute for about a minute so that the raw flavor of the chili powder is diminished. Add in the pureed tomatoes. Add in 1/4 cup water into the blender jar and wash down the residue tomato. Give it a stir. And once it starts to boil, add in the fish pieces. Cover and let it cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you can see that the moisture from the fish has released. So I'm just going to swirl the kadai. Immerse the fish in the gravy, taking care not to break the fish. And I'm going to simmer this for about 15 to 20 minutes. The idea is to allow the fish simmer in the tomato gravy, and in between you need to just swirl the pan just to make sure that the gravy or the fish is not getting stick to the bottom of the kadai. 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. It's 20 minutes since the fish has been simmering, and I have been swirling the pan in between just to make sure that nothing is getting stick to the bottom of the kadai. And as you can see, the gravy has thickened and has almost reduced by half. So I'm just lightly giving it a mix. And you can see that it has now become into a thick gravy. At this stage, I'm adding in half cup of thick coconut milk. Just swirl the pan. And lightly mix it, taking care not to break the fish. Add in the ground black pepper powder, some fresh curry leaves, and lightly give it a mix. And once it starts to boil, turn off the flame, cover, and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. So guys, do try this fish masala and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.